A live man being taken into a hearse for burial. Patients losing their mental balance. Patients quarreling with doctors. Inundated hospitals. Bodies lining up in morgues. The China story is that of horror, pain, and mismanagement. Medical staff are overloaded to the extent that infected staff continue to work because of scarcity of personnel. Shortages of drugs and testing kits and logistical disruptions are upending daily life. The country spent big on quarantine and testing facilities over the past 3 years rather than bolstering hospitals and clinics and training medical staff.
Hospitals full of bodies, and all the crematories in Beijing are operating 24 hours now, but still cannot handle all the bodies.
Those under mandatory quarantine are showing signs of extreme distress. Inundated hospital rooms accommodate both patients and bodies. It is no secret that China has played down this crisis in a big way, hiding the actual numbers of cases and deaths from the entire world. The World Health Organization finally has spoken about it, although in a subtle fashion, asking China to provide information and data on hospitalizations and cases and deaths so that the World Health Body can step in and help the country.
In order to make a comprehensive risk assessment of the situation on the ground, WHO needs more detailed information on disease severity, hospital admissions, and requirements for ICU support. WHO is supporting China to focus its efforts on vaccinating people at the highest risk across the country, and we continue to offer our support for clinical care and protecting its health system.
Airfinity Limited, a London-based research firm that focuses on predictive health analysis, says that China is seeing about 5,000 deaths and 1 million cases every single day as it continues to play down the crisis. Experts agree.
It is very hard to make a judgment based on our experience in overseas and to judge about situations in China. So this made things much harder. So that's why we should really follow very closely about what's happening in China, because it was different and because it has such a huge population. And if really something goes very wrong there, it will again affect the entire world.
Without admission that the pandemic handling has been a disaster, the Chinese leadership continues to torment its people. First, it did with a zero COVID policy, and now with the sheer lack of preparedness that has brought the country to this mess.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.